Hello again. This is overview for day 5, which is actually the last day of Unit 8. And so just a quick statement here. I put an announcement up here. We are on the last day of Unit 8, so please make sure once you complete these activities at some point, go back and make sure that you have done everything that needs to be turned in from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and then ultimately day 5. If you can't tell from Schoology what you're supposed to turn in, go into Sapphire and check your grades, see if anything is missing. If you still are unsure if you handed something in, please send me a message, send me an email. I will happily get back to you as soon as I can. Alright, so let's go ahead into our online distance learning folder. Last time you'll have to go into Unit 8 as long as you get all this stuff done here. Alright, so day 5, got a couple things in here. Alright, so again, we're going to do these in order. Number 1, everything with a 1 by it is going to be together. So you have a video that you are going to watch, and it's about Punnett squares. You guys have probably done these before, back in like 7th grade maybe. These are the things where you try to put genes from the two parents and you put them into a square and you try to see what the offspring can have for their genes. So you're going to learn a little bit about genes, you're going to learn about genotype and phenotype and genetics and alleles, and you'll know what all those words mean once you go through these activities here. So you're going to watch a video, and there's a reading here. While you're watching the video and going through the reading, there is a Punnett Square video questions. And I put the times next to each question so that when you get to that time in the video, you'll know that the answer is right around that time. If you missed it, rewind back and go through that again so that you can fill that in. So that's the first side of the worksheet. The reading is to help you kind of capitalize on everything from the video. The second side of the worksheet is a little bit of practice. So you're actually going to practice what you learned from the video and the reading, get to do a Punnett Square, and go through that. Second thing is a Punnett Square Kahoot. This is just to go through and practice, just to make sure that you got everything from the video and the reading. And then number 3 is just the Punnett Square assessment like we've had for each day, and so you're going to go in and answer those questions. Again, there are more than one try. I think there's 2 tries on this one too, so if you don't like your score, please go in and try it again. And last but not least, I put an optional assignment here. A lot of people like to learn about genetics and Punnett squares, and I really wish we could have done this in class or in the actual building, but we're going to try to do it online best we can. And so this is an optional it's a mouse genetics gizmo, and there's an activity page along with it, but honestly, if you want to go in and you want to play around with the gizmo, then you can kind of see that it has you put different mice in there and you can see what the offspring would be. The worksheet kind of goes along with it to help you kind of work through it to make sure that you're learning things. Again, it's optional, it's enrichment, it's something above and beyond. It's just going to kind of help you out and just kind of give you some more information. Alright, so that is day 5.